So, howdy my peoples. So yes, we got them all of the DNA test stuff done. This one actually has her ADBA registration papers thing inside there as well. So that's all done. This I'm going to send in as soon as I can for the UKC papers. And then that's the Embark DNA. I'll get this all sorted eventually. But yeah, these are ready to go. I'm going to send those today. And she's finally settling down. Realizing that there's no way I'm going to keep giving her, you know, that I'm not going to give in to her crying and stuff. So, yeah, sort of like a little kid. Sort of. Anyway, so yeah, those are ready to go. I just got to get them in the mail today, and they will go out today. And we'll find out what she has or not for genetic stuff with that. That's the genetic. The reason I do this is for the genetic health info for OFA. It gets a doorway open for OFA, basically. And these are just so that the pedigree papers, they have the link up, basically, that if for some reason she has any puppies in the future and those are DNA tested, they'll be linked back to her. So, yes, same with the Embark, but yeah. Anyway, later, y'all.